Right, so hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to update your display or graphic card driver in Windows 11. So it's a very simple process. Let's get straight into it. So if you have an NVIDIA or an AMD card driver, it's basically a very simple process. You're just going to right click here, go into show more options, and you'll have your NVIDIA control panel or your AMD control center right here. You can open that, go into info, check for updates, and install your driver that way. But here I'm going to try to help you install it within Windows. So you're just going to right click on your start button right here and go into device manager. Okay, so in device manager, I'm going to make it big, maximize it. In display adapters, you will see your graphic card stated. So you can either use your graphic card name right here. Okay, go into your browser, type in your graphic card name space. I'm just going to use a GTX 1070 for example, and driver, and you can go into the official GeForce drivers, and you can either download GeForce Experience for it to detect a driver every time, or you can search your graphic card right here and it will give you your driver. And the last way is to open device manager, right click on your graphics card and click on upgrade driver. Here you're going to go into search automatically for drivers, and it will search on the internet for the best driver. Or if you've downloaded the driver, you can go into browse for my computer for driver. Let me go browse into the place where you installed your driver, you downloaded your driver, and it will install for you. So basically that's three separate ways on how to install your display driver on Windows 11, guys. So yeah, hope it helped you, and thanks for watching, folks.